Hello viewer. Thank you for watching today's video. Thank you for joining us for this watercoloring demonstration of autumn leaf. We will be showing how we've painted this. The colors we shall be using: ivory black, fluorescent orange, vermilion hue, red, Chinese white, lemon yellow, and A4 size medium texture watercoloring sheet. Let's begin. Like always, start our painting by drawing a skeleton of the leaf, which includes primary and secondary veins. As we are working on texture sheet, this should be a primary focus. Now, roll over the brush along the boundaries by taking water as a medium. Let's take a little bit of lemon yellow solvent and significantly dilute with fluorescent orange in consistency. Use fluorescent orange at the edges of the leaf to gain a gradient look. In order to look more realistic, let's tap with paper towel to reduce the saturation alongside. In order to darken the boundary area, let's mix a tiny amount of vermilion hue or red with fluorescent orange. Now, we shall use vermilion hue for vein part of the leaf. Now let's tone by rolling over water on the surface using ivory black solvent. At this point, we leave it to dry. Once the surface is fully dry, now we shall add some droplets. In order to do this, we have used 0.3 mm technical pen. To give more naturalistic, let's add some bottom blend for few of the droplets. Droplets are filled with white acrylic paint. Alternatively, we can also use correction pen. After painting background, we realized veins were looking lighter, so we went back to deeper reds and started to rework the colors to increase the saturation. As we know, art has no limit, and this is not the only way to approach watercoloring. This is not the only way to paint autumn leaf. This is just one approach from one artist. There are so many options and possibilities with art. There are no limits to what you can create and how, when it comes to art. So we hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a like if you did and be sure to subscribe for more watercolor painting time lapses and tutorials. We are wishing you all a beautiful and inspiring day, and we hope to see you in our next video. Bye everyone.